Tucked away in the heart of K.A.N, Vietnam, K.A.N House emerges quietly behind a path lined with acacia trees, its roof peeking out from the green canopy like a gentle gesture of welcome. Designed by BOW.atelier and K.A.N Studio, this 150 square meter residence reinterprets rural living through a lens of architectural restraint and cultural sensitivity. The house doesn't try to stand out. Instead, it blends with its surroundings, offering a peaceful escape that harmonizes nature, space, and tradition. One of the most striking elements of the house is its large, singular roof that covers not only the interior but also exterior areas. This roof is designed with purpose. Its thickness acts as insulation, while its broad overhang regulates sunlight and encourages natural ventilation. The roof becomes more than a shelter. It shapes how the home breathes and responds to Vietnam's central climate, allowing the residents to live in comfort even during extreme weather conditions. Inside, the home continues this quiet philosophy. The flat, low ceiling stretches beneath the dominant roofline, subtly pressing the eye toward the horizontal plane. This encourages a constant awareness of the landscape, with framed glimpses of the garden beyond. Openings throughout the house are intentionally minimal, offering tranquil scenes of nature without overwhelming the senses. These curated views allow for a connection to the outdoors while maintaining a sense of stillness and privacy. At the heart of the house lies the kitchen, a space that holds deep cultural significance. In Vietnamese tradition, the kitchen is more than a place for cooking. It's the social core of the home, where stories are shared and relationships nurtured. In K.A.N House, this space is given prominence, opening onto both the orchard and the spacious front yard. This thoughtful placement allows gatherings to spill naturally into the outdoors, supporting the rhythms of rural life, from intimate meals to festive reunions. The house's structure is imbued with craftsmanship. From the precise ironwork to the hand-finished wooden elements, every detail reflects the hands of local artisans who approached the build with care and pride. Their patience and skill can be seen in every corner, quiet testaments to generational knowledge and the value of doing things slowly and well. It's this meticulous attention to detail that lends the house its calm, grounded character. Ultimately, K.A.N House is more than a design. It is a reflection of a way of life. It embraces modesty, connection, and climate responsiveness in a form that feels at once familiar and quietly poetic. By preserving cultural routines and adapting to the environment, the architects have crafted a peaceful dwelling that invites us to rethink what a home can be, not just in function, but in feeling.